my friends, and welcome to another Unbiased Unboxing with John LaRuffa. And today, in this episode, we are going to take a look at Second Chance. Let's take a dive right into it. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like it's got a cottage garden expansion included. We shall see. Slice this guy open. Slice this guy open. There we go. All right. Cracking it open here. Got a little rule book. Looks like it'll be a pretty quick read. No worries there. Okay. Double-sided. Small little board punches. This is for the cottage garden expansion. That's good news. We've got the player boards here. Plenty of them. That's good. Double-sided as well. And a little pack of cards. All right, let's open up the deck of cards, see what we've got. Like the insert already, it's nice to see the different shapes. And the cards are nice little finish here. Looks like they might get a little abuse over repeated plays, but will work just fine for flipping. I like the little flowery artwork on there. It's kind of you'd expect this sort of thing from Uwe Rosenberg and all of his nice roll and rights and Indian Summers. Looks like we've got some larger shapes here. Should be pretty fun. So then it looks like we've got a full splay out of all the different shapes and sizes on these cards. It's my guess, but I don't know for sure. We'll have to take a look. Again, I'm just opening up the box and taking a quick look at what the components look like. All right, so that's it. Pretty simple, pretty quick. We knew that was going to be a fast one, but there it is. Second Chance from Uwe Rosenberg.